The rise of the machines, why automation is different this time. From the early water wheels to steam-powered factories, humanity has always leveraged the power of machines to make our lives easier. But today, a new wave is upon us, automation, and this time, it's different. The age of automation isn't just about machines doing manual tasks. It's about machines thinking, learning, and even predicting. Computers, in their early days, were large, expensive, and limited in capacity. Their primary role? Crunching numbers. But as technology advanced, their potential ballooned. Today, machines are deeply integrated into our daily lives. They assist with chores, manage our schedules, and even deliver our packages. But why is this era of automation different from those of the past? In previous industrial revolutions, machines replaced muscle. They performed tasks that were heavy, repetitive, and arduous for humans. But the machines of today? They're replacing brainpower. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, machines are now capable of pattern recognition, data analysis, and even creative tasks at a scale and efficiency that surpass human capabilities. This impacts virtually every industry, from healthcare, where automated systems can detect diseases with incredible accuracy, to finance, where algorithms can predict market movements, and even to the arts, where AI can compose music or craft stories. But with this rise, there's a looming question: what happens to jobs? The truth is, while many jobs will transform or become obsolete, many new ones will emerge. It is crucial, now more than ever, for us to adapt and evolve. Continuous learning, upskilling, and staying updated with technology will be the cornerstones of career longevity. But there's another silver lining. As routine tasks become automated, humans will have the opportunity to focus on more profound, creative, and innovative pursuits. We also can't ignore the broader implications. Automation can be an ally in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. From tackling climate change through smart energy solutions to revolutionizing waste management, the possibilities are boundless. The balance between humans and machines will redefine our future. This isn't a competition, but a collaboration. We're not being replaced, we're being upgraded. So, as we stand on the cusp of this new age, it's essential to embrace change, harness the power of automation, and work hand in hand with the machines of tomorrow. For in unity, the future is brighter and limitless. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one.